Hey, and welcome to this quick tutorial. This one is going to be about what shaders are good to work with whilst modelling to help you quality check your surfaces as you go. Okay, so if we just take a look at the scene, we have a few different shaders, and just notice how the Lambert shader on the guitar doesn't really give us much information about the surface quality. On the left here we have a Phong shader, and here on the right we have a Blend shader. There's actually not much difference between the two, the main difference being the way the specular highlight is calculated, and they're actually both named after the people who invented each method. But that's besides the point of this tutorial. Using these shaders is great because it gives you some nice specular to work with when modelling. So let's just go about setting up a Phong preset, which you can easily drop into your projects. Hold the right mouse button and go down to Assign New Material, and I'll just select a Phong material type. Straight away you can see that it's easier to see what our model is doing, but I tend to make it a little bit darker. And of course, you can have a play around with your specular settings to get it how you want. Once you're happy with the shader, what I like to do is just save out a preset, which you can do by going to Presets, Save Phong, or whatever's preset. Yeah, like so. And then when you're starting out your model, you can just apply the preset. So let's just do it on this cube here. Replace. I prefer to save out a preset. 1, it saves time, and 2, it keeps things consistent, as from project to project, I can just slap my shiny material on without really having to think too much. And I believe, as you can see, it's definitely better than working with a Lambert. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.